Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove text box outline in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show remove text box outline. Now we can see. Then I show the text box outline. Now we can see remove text box outline. Now select from text box. Now going to the drawing tool, format point option, then click. Now select from shape outline option. Now select from no outline. That is. Now you can see remove text box outline in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.